Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best MC4 connector is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any solar power system, acting as the crucial link that ensures safe and efficient energy transfer from your solar panels to your inverter or charge controller. These connectors are designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions, including UV radiation, extreme temperatures, and moisture, making them a reliable choice for long-term outdoor installations. Their robust construction and secure locking mechanism are vital for preventing accidental disconnections and maintaining optimal electrical performance, safeguarding your investment and ensuring consistent power generation. Number 5. BougeRV Solar Connectors Y-Branch Adapter Cable. Introducing the BougeRV Y-Branch Parallel Adapter Cable. This toolkit allows you to connect two solar panels in parallel, simplifying your solar setup. It includes both MFF and FMM configurations, offering flexibility for your solar panel connections. Easily link multiple panels together. Rated for 20A and DC 1000V, these connectors are built to handle significant power. They ensure reliable performance for your solar energy system. Designed to work with a broad range of solar cables, from 14 to 10 AWG, 1.5 mm superscript 2 to 6 mm superscript 2. This ensures compatibility with most standard solar installations. Featuring an IP67 waterproof rating and constructed from high-quality PPO material, they resist UV rays and high temperatures. This ensures longevity even in harsh outdoor conditions. Assembly is quick and straightforward. Simply plug them in for a secure connection, and use the built-in lock on the male connector for easy disconnection. What we like. This offers both MFF and FMM configurations for flexible parallel connections. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability in outdoor conditions. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-install solution for connecting multiple solar panels, this is a great choice. What people say. The connectors are well made and feel very robust. Easy to connect and disconnect, making installation a breeze. They provide a secure and weatherproof connection, essential for outdoor solar installations. Number 4. BougeRV Solar Panel Connectors. Introducing the BougeRV Solar Connectors, designed for reliable and durable solar panel installations. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a secure connection. Featuring a waterproof ring, these connectors effectively seal out dust and moisture, preventing corrosion. The PPO insulation material ensures excellent resistance to aging and UV rays, built to withstand harsh weather for over 20 years. They are compatible with PV cables ranging from 13 to 10 AWG, accommodating different insulation diameters. This ensures a versatile fit for your solar projects. Assembly is quick and simple, allowing for easy connection and disconnection without the need for special tools. Get your solar system up and running in no time. This kit provides 6 pairs of male and female connectors, along with 6 pairs of connector pins and a pair of spanners. Everything you need for a professional solar setup is right here. What we like. This package comes with connectors, pins, and spanners, making it a complete solution for your solar panel setup. It boasts exceptional durability with a projected lifespan of over 20 years, thanks to its PPO insulation and waterproof design. If you need a comprehensive kit that is built to last and simple to assemble, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and good quality. Works as expected, good for solar panel connections. Number 3. BougeRV Solar Y Connectors. Effortlessly connect your solar panels in parallel with these Y-branch connectors. They are compatible with a wide range of solar cables, from 14 AWG to 10 AWG, ensuring a versatile setup. Designed for the outdoors, these connectors feature IP67 waterproof sealing to protect against water and dust. The built-in lock ensures a stable and secure connection, built to last. Certified by TV and constructed with high-quality PPO material and tin copper contacts, they offer reliable performance. You can trust them to function stably in extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +230 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. Simply press the sides of the built-in lock on the male connector to easily connect or disconnect, no tools required. We stand behind our solar connectors. If you encounter any issues or have questions, our dedicated support team is here to assist you for 18 months. What we like. This Y connector is TV certified, ensuring high security and reliability with its tin copper contacts and PPO material. It operates stably across a wide temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +230 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prioritize certified safety, extreme temperature resilience, and a secure connection that's easy to engage and disengage, consider this option. What people say. The connectors are well made and easy to use. They provide a secure and waterproof connection, which is essential for outdoor solar installations. The locking mechanism is robust and prevents accidental disconnection. Number 2. ECO-worthy solar Y-branch connectors. Connect 2 solar panels in parallel with ease. This allows you to increase your power output for greater energy usage. Made from high-quality PPO and tin copper, these connectors are built to last. They are compatible with a wide range of solar cables, from 14 to 10 AWG. Featuring an IP68 waterproof rating, they offer superior protection against the elements. These connectors are also flame retardant and designed to work in extreme temperatures, from -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. Simply press to connect and release the buckles to unlock, ensuring a secure fit that won't easily slip. Rated for 30 amps and DC 1000 volts, these connectors are suitable for most solar systems. They provide a reliable connection for your solar energy needs. What we like. This Y-branch connector offers superior IP68 waterproof and dustproof performance, along with a VL94 V0 flame retardant grade for enhanced safety. It also supports a higher rated current of 30 A. If you need the best possible protection against the elements and are working with higher current loads, this is the most robust choice. What people say. The connectors are well made and feel very secure when connected. Easy to use and provide a watertight seal, which is essential for outdoor solar installations. The locking mechanism is robust and ensures a reliable connection that won't come loose. Number 1. ECO-worthy 13 PCS Solar Tool Kit. Introducing the ECO-worthy 13-piece solar tool kit, your all-in-one solution for solar panel cable assembly and installation. This kit includes everything you need to get the job done efficiently. At the heart of this kit is a high-carbon steel wire crimper with an ergonomic PP plus TTR handle for a comfortable grip. Its high-precision jaws ensure a secure and reliable connection every time. We've also included 2 pairs of spanner wrenches designed to make your installation process significantly more effortless. These tools provide the leverage you need for a smooth setup. This kit comes with 10 pairs of PPO material solar connectors, each equipped with crimp terminals. They are designed to fit most standard solar cables, ensuring broad compatibility. All these essential components are neatly organized and protected within an enduring and handy zipper case. Keep your tools together and ready for your next project. Every part of this kit has been thoughtfully designed with details focused on ease of use. Experience a more comfortable and efficient solar installation process. What we like. This is a comprehensive 13-piece tool kit that includes a crimper, multiple connectors, and spanners, all organized in a handy zipper case. The tools are designed with an ergonomic grip for ease of use during assembly. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to efficiently assemble and install solar panel cables, this kit provides everything you need. What people say. The connectors are well made and feel very durable. Easy to connect and disconnect, making assembly much faster. They provide a secure and weather-tight connection, essential for outdoor solar installations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.